Yeah, Fairfax County Police Chief David M. Rohrer here tonight in the EOC. I'm going to ask residents and commuters to be very careful tonight driving on our roads in the dark particularly. We have a number of road closures. We have high water in a number of places along shoulders and certainly any kind of creeks or bridges. I'm going to ask you to be extremely careful. Use great caution. If you see flares, if you see cones up, if you see what we call Yodoc barriers closing the road, please obey those. Please do not go down those roads. Please do not cross those streams. If you see any standing water in places where there are streams, there are creeks, please believe that that water is deeper than your vehicle is. Do not go that way. We've had a number of accidents already. Turn around. Go some other way. Do not get down on foot. Do not try and cross the creek or the stream to test it. The water is flowing very swiftly. Safety is the primary message I'm trying to get out tonight. Please simply find another route or shelter in place someplace else or go find someone. Do not cross a bridge or a low area where you see any standing water in particularly. If you're out driving, again, drive slowly. There's a number of areas where we have standing water and shoulders. I don't want you to hydroplane and have an accident. Please be very safe tonight.